Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on my Touchstone Onyx Electric Fireplace. This is the 50-inch version. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention real quick, I actually found a pretty good deal on this fireplace. I'll put a link below in the description so you can check that out. One thing to note about that is if you do click the link below and you see the price, make sure you check the coupon box below the price. You'll see it on there, but just don't forget because it's a considerable extra discount you get. But anyway, so what do I think about this thing? Well, in short, I really like it. For one, it looks very modern. It's a very sleek, modern looking fireplace. And the nice thing about it too is it can mount right into the wall. It's a little bit thicker than like a TV. It's very simple to use and very simple to install. I've always been a real fireplace guy, and I was kind of hesitant for that reason about this one, but I'll tell you, I'm very impressed with it, and it seems to have quenched that thirst for the real fireplace in me, at least. I mean, you can obviously tell, not super obvious though, that it's not a real fireplace or a real fire, but it's surprisingly good actually. If you look at it from any kind of distance, you'd be really hard pressed to tell that this is actually a fake fireplace. And I'm talking about the flames and stuff when it's on. They do a really good job. They've come a long way with these fake ones. Before it was hilariously obvious that it's not a real fire, but this one's pretty good actually. It does have a heating element in it too that outputs heat, and it actually is pretty strong. It can definitely heat a large size room. It's really lightweight too. It only weighs like 45 pounds, so it can be installed. You just cut an opening into your drywall basically and mount it in there, and it's very, very quick and easy to do. Now, you can actually even mount it without cutting the drywall. You can hang it. It's kind of just like a TV wall mount, but you don't get the kind of flush look, but it's still, I would think, not be too bad if you did it that way. One thing that's nice about it too is the actual unit itself uses light basically, so it doesn't get hot at all, so you don't have to worry about your kids touching it and burning their hands or anything like that. But ultra modern, very contemporary look, really can change the look of a room. I'm super happy with it and I highly recommend it. They've dropped the price on this thing recently too. This particular unit used to cost well over $500, but I think just because of competition and all that, but this is the best one out there in my opinion after having reviewed quite a few of these and checked them out. This is the one to get in my opinion. So anyway, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys, and have a great day.